We are going to answer all those blanks that are on the blanks on page 35. I'll highlight those answers when I'm done. I'm going to work through all of it first. Okay, how many terms are in problem number 1? Ooh, that's an even number. Maybe we could factor by grouping. Let's look at this. Guys, is there any way I can take a 5 out where this 6 turns into a 2? So this is not factorable. So let's start working through our toolkit. Our first toolkit is Descartes' rule of signs. So let's analyze the positives. So let's analyze how many times it flips from a sign. It's only one flip, guys. It turns from positive to negative and it stays negative. So this is 1. Let's analyze the negatives. I'll write the negative over here, negative x to the third. So it starts negative, it flips to positive, but then it flips back to negative. That's 2 changes. So it's 2 or what? None. All right. So what do I know? I know for sure I'm going to have 1 positive answer. I know I might have 2 negatives or none. Now we need an answer bank. Remember, that's not factorable. I have no idea what the answers are. We need an answer bank. That's P over Q. So let's write P divided by Q. Top number are the factors of 6. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, the leading coefficient is just 1. So those are essential. That's the answer bank. All right. So we are going to start doing synthetic division using and only using 1, 2, 3, and 6. Anything outside of that's a waste of time because there's no way it's going to be an answer. All right, here we go with synthetic division. I'm going to draw an upside down synthetic box. And look at your Descartes. What do I have a higher probability of getting? A negative. I'm just going to choose negative 1 because 1's the lowest number. I'm going to put a negative 1 out here. Now let's write these coefficients on that top row and work through your synthetic. No remainder, right? Don't forget that's a factor. You have to write this in factored form. Let's just go ahead and make our setup for a factored form. Write f of x equals. Remember, it's the opposite. Let's write x plus 1 because that's going to be one of the factors because we didn't get a remainder. Let's look at the quotient. All right, so the quotient is x squared plus x minus 6. Is that factorable? Are there factors of negative 6 that you can make into a positive 1? 3 times 2 makes us 6. X plus 3, x minus 2. Recopy these factors on the line where we're writing the factored form of the polynomial. Look at your factors. Can I break this down any farther? No. So there's your factored form. Now for the zeros, x equals negative 1, negative 3, positive 2. When you take your quiz on Friday, there's so many ways for you to check to see if you got the right answer. Look, are these part of your answer bank numbers? Yeah, they're all there. Look at this. Did I get exactly 1 positive? Yeah, I did. Did I get 2 or none negatives? Yeah, I got 2. It's all there for you guys. So listen, on page 35, when it says Descartes, this is what you put on the blank that says Descartes. Where it says, rational zeros, that's your answer bank. These are your rational zeros. Where it says zeros, that's what I wrote in this orange marker right here. And then your factored form is right here. Don't forget to write that equal sign. That's your factored form. That's all your blanks.
When we read it and like rational zeros on the paper, do we have to put those?
Yeah, you do. Because you're telling me it's all positives and all negatives. If you don't put that, those are called braces. If you don't put that, then it looks like it's just only positive and negative one.
So for this, like finding zeros, this is the time you do